and I know all about him. He's always my problem, and I can't live without him. Yeah.
I don't know what to do. Let's see. So what are we calling this?
Hello!
Oh, I guess you can do that. Hey guys, what is up? I am back with another... That was the ball. I'm sitting on the ball. I am back with another... I'm back with another video, and in this video, my friend Ashley will be doing my makeup. Oh my god!
I'm just doing her eye makeup though, because she didn't bring her foundation.
Yeah, and her foundation won't work on me, and I feel like I'm a midget right now, but that's okay. So yeah, are you excited? I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I'm nervous.
I'm excited.
I'm nervous.
I'm excited.
So we're just.
Okay, so first I'm going to prime her eyes. I don't have a primer at the moment. I used to be a big beauty guru, and so I used to use primers and everything, but now I don't because I don't wear like any makeup anymore. So I'm just going to be using Glamouflage heavy duty concealer. You can get it at Walmart. And then I'm going to be taking my MAC, I think it's a 153 brush. You can't really see it anymore because I've had it for a long time. But I'm just going to take that and I'm going to put it on her, put it on her eyelids. So close your eyes. And so this is just going to kind of act as her primer.
I feel like you're like going in. Oh my gosh.
And so, ooh, girlfriend. All right, so then I'm going to take damp beauty blender. Stop looking. Don't look. All right, there we go. So now I'm taking just a damp beauty blender and I'm kind of blending it out over her eyes. This would look a lot better if
I was white.
If you were white and if we had foundation for you. This would kind of blend out a little more. You got like some bug eyes, girl.
Have you already established that?
Yeah. But I just gotta. So she's going to keep her eyes shut and I'm going to put on a setting powder.
How long have you been doing makeup?
Since I was like 12.
Oh my gosh.
So this is just going to kind of set
Why is it so big?
it in place because it's a powder brush.
Oh.
This is going to turn out super shitty, Denise.
Am I going to look like a clown?
Probably.
I'm going to put all the guys at this level.
I don't even know what like colors to do. Or we'll give you a smoky eye. So we're going to give her just an easy smoky eye. I'm going to be using my Tartelette palette by Tarte, and I'm gonna go in with the color Fashionista down in the corner.
Because I'm a fashionista.
If it'll focus, there it is. And then I'm just gonna be taking a Pro blending brush in 27 from Sephora, and we're just gonna do that and make sure you tap off the excess, otherwise you're not a real beauty guru. And start at the corner of her eye, and we're gonna kind of blend.
These brushes are hard. They feel like little pine cones.
Crease.
Not pine cones. What's that animal that shoots out?
Porcupine?
Yeah.
Can you look towards me more? Thanks.
Could you not do a lighter color?
Well, you have dark skin, so that wasn't racial. You can't. Don't you dare put that in the video.
I got you. Are you gonna make me look ugly like that time you did at our apartment?
Try not to.
Oh gosh. I'm just an ugly person. Ugly attracts ugly. I didn't like this brush.
Okay, over here. Jesus.
Can I look?
Not yet.
Okay.
Okay. Let's try and like tone it down.
Oh my gosh.
A little bit.
Actually, I have no idea what.
I've never worked with a dark girl before.
A black girl.
A dark
girl. I'm brown, honey.
Oh my god.
Y'all know I don't do makeup like this at all whatsoever.
Okay. So I'm not even gonna tell them what I'm doing anymore. Just
Do I look good?
no. You look like you have a fucking black eye. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so now since we're bougie, we're gonna take this little
like the elementary school stuff.
Denise, stop letting it focus on your face. There we go, this little guy.
Focus on me.
And we're gonna give her some bold glitter from Maybelline.
Oh yes.
Maybe this will help save. Don't look down. There you go. Oh shit. I thought this would be better.
Is it not?
No.
Oh.
Did you have faith in me?
I kind of did. Just because you make yourself look presentable.
Shit, maybe I can just really pack it on there. I keep close your eye. I can really like see your eyeball moving underneath your lid.
I bet I can make you look better than you can make me look.
Oh, you think?
I know.
Okay. So are you doing my makeup next?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay, wait, look at me. Oh, fuck no. Close your eyes.
Guys, what do you think?
Fuck.
This is the person just making me look terrible.
Okay, then we're gonna take this Eco Tools brush,
Oh, I love Eco Tools.
and it's just like a little tiny little brushy brush. I don't know what kind of brush. And we're gonna take that same gold
I
color.
feel like you're just making this worse.
I am.
It's not
I
going
am. Okay, look up. Shit, don't look up. I'm taking the black. Look up.
Oh god.
Up.
Here we go with the black. Oh,
Denise!
What are you doing?
Stop it! You're not letting me blend it out.
What are you?
Stop!
Actually,
Stop! Closing your... Stop! Stop
Your brush is-
squinching
your
your
brush-
eye!
your brush is hurt.
Stop being a baby! You stop squeezing your eyes together. There you go, like that. Just like that. Okay, do a normal eye now. Denise!
your brushes hurt.
No, they don't. You're just being a baby. Denise!
Get it now.
Denise! Stop doing that. You don't have to keep your eye open. Oh my gosh, is that why you're spazzing out? Stop trying to close your eyes.
Okay.
But look, close your eyes like this. No, like, just like close your eyes. Close your eyes, ugly. And raise your eyebrows. There you go. Okay, now look at me. Jesus.
I don't think that out.
We gotta do the glitter now. There you go, now you're being a man. Okay, do the exact same thing.
Okay.
Just close them and I'm gonna do it super lightly. Okay,
Oh my
look at me.
gosh.
Close them again.
I'm so glad we're not friends when I have my prom. Because you would not be doing my makeup.
Okay, you know what, Denise?
I look good though, right?
If you don't want to do this anymore, I don't want to be a part of it. I gotta find. Hold on, I'm trying to find things.
You can do my eyebrows? But good this time, Ashley.
Sure.
Not making me
It's
look like
not.
Wreck-It Ralph.
They're not gonna look good because this. Oh my god! Like, have you seen this?
I don't have my glasses on. I can't see anything. Like all this is a big blur of brown. Like, I don't know what's going on.
Okay, I don't know if this is gonna look any better than if I do your eyebrows. It's
Oh,
gonna look like
geez.
shit.
Oh my gosh. Well, doesn't it already look bad now?
Oh yeah, it's gonna look like shit.
They look
No,
good.
look at me head on. The eyebrow looks pretty good.
Really?
Yeah.
Does it match the eyeshadow?
I don't think anything can match that eyeshadow. That's like the
What does it look like?
It looks like I beat you up.
Wait, do you think you can give me a hickey with the eyeshadow? I tried to do it to myself, but it didn't look good.
Probably not.
Oh, you don't have the colors?
No.
You could do that.
You're too dark. You want me to try it? I tried.
You made me look hideous.
Denise. I can't.
I'm not being me. Y'all.
You want to hickey?
To all my African American people, y'all know how, not be me, you know how there's certain black people when they have those dark circles around their eyes because they're older or whatever, and they're just really dark. You know what I'm talking about? This is what she made me look like those extra are dark people.
Oh my god.
Denise. Do that to me.
Hey, I could give you a fake hickey though if you really want one.
I really want one.
Well, I'm giving it to you. Oh.
See, my cheeks are so highlighty. I don't even need highlight.
Yes, you do.
Oh, yes, you do.
Let me try and like...
Using a lamp is a really good idea instead of buying a ring.
Yeah, I know. Did you never hear about this?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna make it a little more white.
I need to move up a little bit.
Okay, hold on. Now I'm gonna take this like pinky.
Mm.
Oh, it's not really gonna show up. Maybe like...
Does the camera need to see it?
Not really, I mean, because it's not showing up. It just looks white and ashy. It looks like you got some more of that like dark spot that you were just talking about.
Oh my gosh.
It was looking good before.
Y'all.
I don't want you to post this video anymore.
Her definition of a hickey.
Denise.
Oh my god. I'm not. There are darker people than me in the world. Like,
I've never worked with dark skin. Okay, how about you don't upload this video and you just upload a video of you doing it on me?
We'll see.
Gosh. Stop your video.
No, I'm about to do you.
Okay, hold on.
And I may just merge it.
Aye.
But I will stop. Y'all. Oh my gosh. This is the final look. This is supposed to be a hickey, but she doesn't know how to do a hickey.
I'm feeling judged right now.
Do y'all not see that? No,
Does
do
your
like.
eyebrow look good though?
Oh heck yeah. I would do it a little longer though. Maybe.
Okay, well I'm using eyeshadow, so it's not gonna look good. If
I
do
look
it
like a
longer.
zombie.
Stop it.
Maybe without the lipstick that would have been good, but I think she looks beautiful. I think I look like
Poop.
trailer trash.
Poop.
But that's okay.
Guys, I promise I used to have talent. I don't anymore.
Alright guys, well I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that post notification down below. And I'm gonna tag Ashley's Instagram underneath, so make sure you give her some love. Alright. Even though she gave my face no love. Bye guys.